Ever wondered how to get that smooth, radial glass skin that looks like it's glowing from within? Today I'm going to give you 3 simple, proven steps to make your skin look super hydrated, clear, and glossy, just like glass. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Double cleansing. Glassskin starts with a clean slate, so tip number 1 is double cleansing. Here's the key. Begin with an oil-based cleanser. This breaks down sunscreen, makeup, and all that excess sebum that water can't touch. Follow up with a water-based gentle cleanser to sweep away any leftover dirt and sweat, without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. This 2-step process means your pores stay clean and your skin looks super smooth, trust me. Skipping this will make all the other steps way less effective. Tip 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Next up, and this is the real secret to glass skin hydration. Layering hydration is what gives your skin that plump, dewy look. We all know that TikToker Marlon, the guy who looks way too attractive, and he especially recommends one thing if you want glass skin. Yep, Marlon's number 1 secret, hydration. He swears by drinking water all day and using hydrating toners and serums. Your skin loves moisture, and that's what gives you that smooth, glassy glow. Look for ones with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, snail mucin, or green tea. Pat it in gently with your hands. Follow up with a lightweight hydrating serum. Again, focus on humectants like hyaluronic acid that draw water into the skin. Finally, seal it all in with a light moisturizer that suits your skin type. Your skin should feel bouncy and look juicy. Glass skin is all about trapping moisture. The more hydration you give it, the better the glow. Tip 3. Gentle exfoliation. And last but definitely not least, you gotta exfoliate gently. Why? Dead skin cells build up on the surface and block light from reflecting off your skin. Use a chemical exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week. Look for ingredients like AHA, glycolic or lactic acid, or BHA, salicylic acid. These help smooth out rough texture and clear clogged pores without the harsh scrubbing. Avoid gritty scrubs. They can cause micro tears and irritation. With regular gentle exfoliation, you'll reveal fresh, smooth skin underneath, which is key to getting that glassy sheen. That's it for today. Follow these simple steps and you'll be glowing like Marlon in no time. Remember, hydrate, cleanse smart, exfoliate gently, and let your skin do the rest. Hit that like, subscribe for more skincare tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh.